Hello and welcome. Today you will learn linking words in English. You want to speak English more fluently and sound more professional? Linking words are the secret to connecting your ideas clearly. Linking words are words or phrases that connect ideas in a sentence or between sentences. They make your English sound smooth, logical, and natural. For example, I like English. I like music. I like English and I like music. Let's learn linking words for adding ideas. We use words like and, also, moreover, and in addition. She is smart and she is kind. He works hard, moreover. He studies every day. Next, let's talk about contrast. Use words like but, however, and although. I like English, but I don't like grammar. It is raining. However, I will go outside. Although he is tired, he keeps studying. Now, let's learn cause and effect. We use words like because, so, and therefore. I am happy because I passed the exam. It was cold, so I stayed home, studied a lot. Therefore, he succeeded. Next, let's learn time and order words. We use words like first, then, next, and finally. First, I woke up. Then, I went to school. Finally, I finished my homework. Now, let's learn how to give examples. We use words like for example, for instance, and such as I like fruits, for example, apples and bananas. Many animals, such as lions and tigers, live in Africa. Linking words connect your ideas and make your English more fluent. If you use them every day, your English will sound natural and intelligent. Practice with simple words like and, but, because, and finally. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English and see you in the next lesson.